Hi, I'm here in the garden and I wanted to show you the two ways that you can harvest lettuce. Let me show you. I can usually get 2, maybe 3 harvests from each lettuce plant. The first way to harvest is you just come in and pinch off the outside leaves of your plant. Just like that. When you're finished, the plant will look like this. But if you'll notice, there are new leaves growing. This little guy, there's one in here, and eventually it'll grow back up again and look like this again. Now the second way is after it's all grown back full again, you can try that again. Sometimes you can get a third set of leaves, but if you need some more room in your garden or it's just getting too hot, you can just come in. It's hard for me to do this with one hand, but basically just cut it at the base right here. Just take a scissors or your garden shears and just cut it right there. And then you'll have this whole head of lettuce that you can take in. And that's the way I harvest lettuce in my garden.